Hello everyone. So in this video we will start our insect ecology, the introduction to this ecology. What is ecology? All those things. All of you know, I think most of you know that what is ecology. This is a normal environmental study, all of you know. So we will deal with basically the ecology with the point of view of the insect. So without wasting time, let's start. In this video we will discuss what is your ecology, who coined the term ecology, what is the definition, how we can totally understand what is ecology, different kind of ecology. Up to this much we will understand in this part, in this video. So let's start. First one is, this is a very important question, it may come in the exam also, that the term ecology, okay, the term ecology is coined by whom? Who has coined the term ecology? So the answer will be your Ernest Haeckel. Okay, if possible you note it down. Ernest Haeckel has coined the term ecology in 1866. You see here 1866. Somewhere it is also written as 1869, but most of the books it is written that 1866. First point. Then coming to the second, this ecology word, the composition, this came from one Greek word, okay. The Greek word is your oikology. You see, if logy is there, means definitely it is a Greek word, all of you know. So this came from one Greek word, that is your oikology. It is a composition of again two words, that is oiko or oikos, another one is your logy. So what is oikos? The meaning of oikos is house, and the meaning of your logy is the science of, or to study of house. Understanding or not? So literally you can tell that ecology is what? Is the study of habitation or house of the organism. House means what? One organism house means the natural habitat, yes or no? So you can tell that study of organisms in their natural habitat is known as your basically ecology. This is not the fittest definition, but still literally you can tell that study of organisms in their natural habitat is known as your ecology. But the fittest definition of ecology, okay, was given by Epiodom. Note it down. Epiodom has given the best definition in 1953. That's why he is called as the father of ecology. How he has defined? The study of the structure and function of nature. Note it down. The study of structure and function of nature is known as your ecology. Understood? What is the thing we will discuss in the next slide, but till now you just write down the study of structure and function of nature is known as your ecology. Who has given the definition? Epiodom. Who has given the term? Ernest Haeckel. As Epiodom has given the best definition, he is known as the father of ecology. Not only for giving the definition, but he has formulated some formula. So many things he has developed, so many kind of factors he has analyzed. That's why he is known as the father of ecology in 1953. Okay, so coming to the next slide. Okay, so now we will understand the definition. Okay, so in the last slide I told you that this structure and function of nature. So now we will understand what is your structure and what is your function. First, coming to the structure. Okay, what is structure? Structure includes the distribution and abundance of organism influenced by the biotic and abiotic elements of the environment. Structure means what? Suppose in case of human being, what is the structure? How we are distributed, how much we are, what is our population. If this is our population, what are the factors affecting? Yes or no? It may be biotic, it may be abiotic. Biotic means what other human beings, what other animals are doing with us. That is your biotic. What is abiotic? What the environment is playing with us. That is your abiotic elements. Similarly, in case of insects also, here also, what is the distribution pattern of insect and what is the abundance of the insect, and how these two structures are affected by those biotic and abiotic factor. How other animals are affecting the insect, or how other insect are affecting one insect, or how your environment is affecting the insect abundance and distribution. That is your structure. Understood? Now coming to function. What is function? Function means what? The interaction. Yes or no? The function the insect is surviving means definitely that is doing something. That is functioning something. It includes all aspect of their growth and interaction of population, including competition, predation, parasitism, then your mutualism, transfer of nutrients and energy among them. You see, we are surviving means what we are doing? Taking food, taking energy, yes or no? First thing. Then after taking energy, what is happening? We are growing. Then what will happen? We are interacting with other animals, other structure, other functions, yes or no? Doing so many things, functions we are doing. Then reproduction will be there. We are growing our population, yes or no? Including competition, yes or no? Survival means fittest must be there. Competition must be there among ourselves. Predation is also there in case of insect and other animals. Yes or no? Parasitism will play the role. So many things are there. In this life cycle, what is happening? The transfer of energy is there from one trophic level to one trophic level. Yes or no? So this all includes your function. So in the broadest way, if you define ecology, what is ecology? See here, ecology is the science of interrelation, in between the relation. Okay, in between what? Living organisms and their environment. Understood or not? suppose ecology, okay, suppose you are understanding about the insect ecology. That means, suppose ecology means what? Here we will understand of insect ecology. Okay, interrelation between the living organism, interrelationship between the insect and the environment, which includes both physical and biotic environment. Okay, physical means abiotic, yes or no? And living things means your biotic. Living things already mentioned here. Biotic and abiotic factors will be there. And what we need to emphasize here? Interspecies and intraspecies relation. We will take an insect, we will study all other animals playing with that insect, along with the weather parameter, climatic parameter, that is your environment. Along with that, inter and intraspecies. That means, suppose you are taking a honeybees, how honeybees are interacting with each other, that is your intraspecific level. Then come to, suppose inter means how honeybees are playing with other insect or all other organisms, that will be your interspecific. Understood or not? This definition is given by Ali in 1949. How he has defined? The science of interrelations between living organisms and their environment, including both physical, that is your abiotic, and the biotic environments, emphasizing what? Interspecies and intraspecies relation. That is your ecology. I hope you understood. If any doubt is there, then ask. Some points are there. It may not be required for the normal standards, but it may be asked in the competitive exams. Just note it down. Some terms are there given by whom? You have to remember. First is binomics. Binomics term was given by Buffon. Ethology. This term was given by Saint Hilaire. Then origin of species. Okay, written by whom? Charles Darwin in 1859. Then ecology. The term was given by Ernest Haeckel. I already have told you. Then father of ecology is your E.P. Odom. Okay, he has given the fittest definition. Then kinds of ecology or types of ecology, broadly divided into two types. Those are your horticology and synecology. Okay, two kind of ecology are there. So just briefly we will discuss here. In the next video I will tell you what is actually horticology or synecology, or I will prepare a separate video for that. So now coming to what is horticology. Horticology is the study of individual organism or an individual species in relation to the environment. You see, ecology means first of all it is a study. Study of what? In hort, what will happen? Either we will take a single insect or we will take a single species. That means suppose you are taking grasshopper. Either you take a single grasshopper or you take the whole grasshopper species. Then study how biotic and abiotic factors are playing role with this grasshopper or grasshopper species. That is known as your hort ecology. Even sometimes you can tell whole insect also. Okay, that is your horticology. What is synecology? Synecology means what? Here starting from the group or groups of organism associated in a community. What is community? What is population? We will tell later. Actually what happens? Some population together unite to form a community. Okay, understood what is community? Then in the same environment, they must be there in the same environment. So this study is known as your what? Synecology. So try to understand now. Instead of taking one species of grasshopper or instead of taking only insect, what we will do here? We will take insect, we will take rats, we will take frogs, we will take snakes. Group or groups of organisms will be there. Understood? But they must be in the same environment, not like one is aquatic, one is terrestrial, not like that. It may be like that, but still there is some geographical limitation will be there. Community in the same environment. High level fluctuation must not be there. Okay. So what to study here? Relation to various other species living in the same environment. Understanding or not? Suppose you have taken some of the population, only insect, frog, snake you have taken. So what you will do now? How insect, frog and snake are affected by all other animals, all other organisms and by the environmental parameter or climatic factor. That is your synecology. Group or groups will be there, but in case of horticology, individual organism or individual species we will take, or individual population we may take. This is your horticology and synecology. So I hope up to this one you have understood. For this difference in between horticology and synecology, I have prepared another video. I will give that in the description. You can refer that one. If any kind of doubt is there, then kindly ask. Thank you for watching.